Anemone De Caen comes in a mix of colours such as red, white, pink and lilac blue. They can be purchased as mixed colours and as individual colours. It's a tuberous perennial plant that is usually sold as dry, dormant tubers that are sold in colourful packets in the gardening sections of home stores and supermarkets, as well as garden centres and online bulb sellers. They can be planted into the garden or into pots in early spring. They do well in large terracotta or plastic pots. If growing in pots, you'll need a well-drained multi-purpose compost. I prefer a soil-based compost as it holds water more easily. The tubers are very dry and hard, and they resemble dried mushrooms or dried bark. They don't look like they are alive, but don't worry, as this is normal. March to May are ideal months for planting. Place the tubers in the pot so that they are about 5 centimeters or 2 inches deep, with some space between each tuber. Don't worry which way up you plant them. They will find the sky whichever way up you place them. You may like to add a thin layer of horticultural grit or fine gravel to cover the compost. It helps to preserve moisture in the compost, and it just finishes off the appearance really well. But it's not essential at all. What is essential is to water really well. Give the pot plenty of water to allow the bulbs to swell and break their dormancy. Then place the pot in a sunny spot, preferably in full sun. Bright light is needed. After 4 to 6 weeks, there is some nice feathery foliage forming. The leaves look a bit like parsley. Keep well watered to maintain a moist compost and watch out for slugs and snails eating the emerging growths. And a few weeks later, the first flower is open and another is on the way. As can be seen, it's a very large flower considering the size of the plant. The flowers contrast nicely with the feathery foliage. The stem is thick and stout. These flowers make quite good cut flowers if you wanted to grow them for cutting. Flowering will occur over a period of weeks as each plant in the pot blooms. Obviously, if you plant more tubers in a larger pot, you'll get multiple flowers open at the same time, and therefore a bigger display. Keep them moist and give a liquid feed once a week to fatten the bulbs. And if you're lucky, you'll get a second flush of flowers in the autumn. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like. I really appreciate your support. And please subscribe if you'd like to see more of my plant videos. Thanks again, and I look forward to bringing you the next video soon.